Do you know why we convert Celsius to Kelvin? Kelvin is the SI unit for temperature. The Celsius scale is defined in terms of two fixed points, the ice point and the steam point, which is 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius respectively. While Kelvin has divided the interval between this ice and steam points. It gives us an absolute temperature and is directly related to kinetic energy and volume, while Celsius scale is not. Celsius scale is mostly used in clinical laboratories. So this is why we convert Celsius scale to Kelvin. Welcome back to this channel. This is Tutor Idee. For those of you that just subscribed to this channel, thank you very much. You're highly welcome. And for those of you that are just watching for the first time, consider subscribing to this channel, like this video, and drop your comments in the comments section. So today we'll be solving problems under Charles' law. In our previous video, we did the introduction and examples of Charles' law, like the application of Charles' law. So the first question is, a balloon inflated in a room of at 27 degrees Celsius, please don't mind my degree, has a volume of 5 liters. The balloon is then heated to a temperature of 77 degrees Celsius. What is the new volume if the pressure remains constant? So we have V1 over T1 equal to V2 over T2. Our V1 is 5 liters. We write out our parameters. We write out all the values. V2 is what we are calculating for. T1 is 27 degrees Celsius and T2 is 77 degrees Celsius. We add 273 to convert it to Kelvin. So we have 300 Kelvin, and for 77 degrees Celsius is converted to 350 Kelvin. Now we put all this into our formula. Our formula, which is V1 over T1 equals to V2 over T2. So V1 is 5 liters. That is 5 divided by T1 is 300, which is equal to V2 over T2, which is 350 Kelvin. So we cross multiply. So 300 times V2 is equal to 350 times 5. We divide both sides by 300. Our V2 will become 350 times 5 over 300. After cancelling out, we get 35 divided by 6, which is equal to 5.83 liters. So this is our answer. I hope you understand this calculation. The next question is, a container of oxygen gas has initial volume of 200 liters and temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Don't mind my degree. Calculate the volume if the temperature is changed to -3 degrees Celsius. Of course, our formula is V1 over T1 equal to V2 over T2. Our V1 is equal to 200 liters. Our V2 is what we are calculating for again. Our T1 is equal to it's equal to 30 degrees Celsius and is converted to Kelvin, which is equal to 303 Kelvin. And our T2 is -3 degrees Celsius plus 273 to give us 270 Kelvin. Yeah. So now we are going to put them into our formula. Yes. So our V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. Sorry for the mistake. It should be T1. So we have 200 divided by 303 is equal to V2 over our T2, which is 270 Kelvin. We cross multiply. We have 270 times 200 is equal to 303 V2. Divide both sides by 303. Yeah, so we cancel out, and using your calculator, 270 times 200 divided by 303 will give you 178.218, which is approximately 178 liters. So I hope you understand this also. The next question is, Calculate the decrease in temperature when 3 liters at 27 degrees Celsius is compressed to 2 liters. What do you do? Of course, our formula again. V1 over T1 equal to V2 over T2. Yes, V1 is equal to what? V2 is, you write out your parameters, the values given. V1 is 3 liters, V2 is 2 liters, T1 is 27 degrees Celsius converted to Kelvin by adding 273, which is equal to 300 Kelvin. Then our T2 is what we are calculating for this time around. We are calculating for temperature. Now we are putting everything into the formula. V1, which is over T1, equal to V2 over T2. V1, which is equal to 3 liters divided by 300 Kelvin, is equal to 2 liters divided by T2. Now we cross multiply again. So 3 times T2, which is 3T2, is equal to 600. So T2 is equal to 600 divided by 3. T2 is equal to 200 Kelvin. So you see, we can convert this back to degrees Celsius. If you want to leave it in Kelvin, fine. If you want to convert it to degrees Celsius, we multiply, we minus 273 from 200. Unlike when we are converting to Kelvin, where we add, this time around we minus or we subtract 273 from 200, which is minus 73 degree Celsius. I hope you understand this calculation. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. That's it with solving problems under Charles' law. I hope you understand. Thanks for staying true till this time. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions to ask me at all, you can drop it in the comment section.